Hey lovelies, welcome or welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I share with you the simple and yet delicious okra dish called Fetri Toto, which is popularly eaten in the Volta region of Ghana. This dish is very delicious, and once you taste it, you will definitely love it. Let's get into the video. For this recipe, I'm going to use okra, which I've already washed nicely. I will add some tomatoes and also go in with some salted beef. I will then add some water, cover, and allow this to cook until it's ready. While that is going on in my earthenware, I will add some pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. Add some garlic and ginger and also onion. So I'm not going to add salt at this point. So I'm going to grind until it is nice and smooth. So Fetri Toto, the Fetri means okra or okra in English, and the Toto comes from the Ewe word for pounding. So the name explains the dish, hence Fetri Toto, which means pounded okra stew or sauce. It is one of the easiest ways to enjoy slimy okra, and you can prepare this within a short time. Okay guys, so what I added earlier on is some roasted fermented fish or momone to the pepper. This will elevate the taste of the okra sauce. After 10 minutes, checking on the okra, it is well cooked and the tomatoes too are well cooked as well as the beef. So I went in with my cooked tomatoes. You can also use roasted tomatoes for this. They all work perfectly. And while this is going on, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a video. So while this is done, I went in with my cooked okra and I'll just start pounding. And if you are thinking of blending this okra, it's a big no because we still want to have some chunkiness in the okra sauce. So blending the okra is totally out of this recipe. We are on all socials, that is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. The name is Getty Cooks and it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any amount. At this point, I went in with some salt and added the beef and some of the water I got from the cooking of the okra to the sauce because it was too thick. So the water is just going to loosen up the sauce just a little. Alright, after our okra sauce is all done, I went ahead to heat up my palm oil and I'm using the Jomi palm oil. You can use any palm oil of your choice. Next, I went in with some chopped onion and also added my smoked mackerel. Stir everything together and allow this to steam in the oil for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the aroma in my kitchen was everywhere, smelling so good. Fam, let me know what you think about this simple okra dish recipe in the comment section below, and I'll be ready to read them. So at this point, all that we have to do is to add the oil to our okra sauce and then stir everything nicely. This Fetri Toto recipe was so good and delicious, guys. You really have to try this recipe. So simple and easy to prepare with just a few ingredients. And once you test this Fetri Toto recipe, you'll be asking for more. This is a banger and you will really love it. So guys, the oil is well mixed with the sauce and just look how it came out. So I went ahead to add some onions to the okra sauce. Just look at the final outcome. So we just have to pair this okra sauce with our banku. You can pair it with a workplace or a demi. All that is left for us is to enjoy our okra sauce. Guys, you are all invited. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. See you in my next upload. Bye.